Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3425 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick wireless setup and how to install the setup in cartridges and load the paper sheet. So all I will show you here. Let's start with the setup process. Now first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button and wait for the 0 to come on the display screen. Now we have to install the setup in cartridges. You will see you will get one color ink cartridge and one is the black ink cartridge. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges. So open the ink cartridge chamber door, which is here. To install the setup ink cartridge, you will see the chamber is there. So press the lock down so that we can install the ink cartridges. Place the black ink cartridge in the black side. So that is here marking black and color. Slide it in and push the lock up. It will lock the ink cartridge. Do it same for the color ink cartridge. Push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the display panel. Now we have to load the paper tray. So open this side, adjust the size here, place A4 size sheets and adjust the size again. Press OK button. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of the printer. So we are going to connect it with the home or office wireless network. Now first step is to go to your device. For example, I have an iPhone here. So open the Canon Print App. So if you do not have this app, you can download from the App Store, which is here. So this is the Canon Print App. Once you open the app, it will ask you to set up your printer. So you just have to click yes. It will search for your printer here. If you get a message, printer cannot be found, click OK. And click on the if printer cannot be found. Click on the auto connection. Now our printer has this button. So click on yes button. Press and hold this button in your printer's panel for 3 seconds. Which is here. 1, 2, 3. Release it and confirm here. Click OK. Now we have to go and open the Wi-Fi setting of our phone. It will show up your printer series name 3400. Click on it. Wait for it to connect. Go back, open the Canon Print app again, click OK and it will start the setup process. Check if this is your Wi-Fi network and then confirm it. Enter your Wi-Fi password. So this is the password of your Wi-Fi network. And click OK button. Our printer is connected and it is added in the app. Click on the cancel button, close it, and you will see the name of your printer series. From here you can start the wireless printing and scanning. You have option to print, option for scanning. To do a printing, click on the print document section or select any document from your email. Simply open the document, click on the next button, and here you can change the number of copies. You can do the settings like two-sided printing and then click on the print icon. Confirm your printer and it will start the printing. So this way we can do the wireless printing and it's very easy to connect this printer. Thanks for watching.